What's happening, everyone? In this video, we are going to be talking about targeting and conversion optimization. Now, targeting and conversion optimization on Facebook is the most advanced machine learning targeting capabilities of any digital platform that I have experience with. It's the single reason why Facebook ads are so profitable for businesses of any size. It all comes down to understanding how to harness the power of Facebook's targeting and conversion optimization capabilities in your campaigns, and that's what we are going to cover in this video. In this video, we are going to talk about targeting and conversion optimization on the Facebook advertising platform. And so we've already discussed how Facebook keeps users engaged with their platform and rewards advertisers that add value to consumers with cheaper cost per impression or really cost per clicks via the ad auction. The real power behind Facebook advertising, however, comes from Facebook's incredible targeting and conversion optimization capabilities. And so the first question that we have to ask ourselves, and the first definition that we need to define, is what is a conversion? And so essentially, a conversion is any action that you want your prospects to take after viewing your ad. Typically, this conversion is some sort of opt-in, download, or occasionally even directly to a purchase. But really, a conversion can be any event that you define. And you're able to tell, in quotes, you're able to tell Facebook what a specific conversion event is via the Facebook pixel. We're going to cover the Facebook pixel in much greater detail in a later video. But for now, just know that the Facebook pixel is the way that you're able to communicate activities that happen on your website with Facebook. And so let's just cover a quick example here. Let's say that you wanted to optimize your ads for a conversion event that was purchasing a pair of red shoes. What you would do is you would go into the Facebook Pixel Manager and you would set a custom conversion event to the unique URL of the thank you page that your customers visit after buying a red pair of shoes. So you have your ad here. So you have your ad here, drives to a landing page with URL A. So www.awesomeshoes.com/redshoes. And there's a buy button that they can click to buy the shoes. And then after they buy the shoes, they go to the thank you page, which is a different URL. So it's going to be like URLB. So www.myawesomeshoes.com/redshoes/thank-you. And what you would do, there's Facebook pixel code on each of these pages here. And so what you do is in the Facebook Business Manager, and we'll show you how to do this, is you would go in and you would say, okay, Facebook, I want to optimize for everyone who visits this unique URL here on the thank you page. Obviously, the only way someone can visit this page is if they have purchased the shoes. And so I want to optimize for people purchasing the shoes. I want to optimize for people who show up on this page. And so the only way that someone can view that page is after buying a pair of red shoes. So by telling Facebook that that's what you want to happen, people viewing that thank you page, Facebook can then start to optimize your targeting to those people most likely to purchase your red shoes and therefore view that thank you page. So what will happen is Facebook will essentially start by just randomly showing your ad to people within the targeting criteria that you define. And a fraction of those people will actually, a bunch of those people are all going to go here. Some are going to bounce, obviously, but a fraction of those people will actually go through to the thank you page. Now, after a few of those people start purchasing, Facebook is going to look at what makes them similar and then is going to start finding other people who look like these people, and is going to start sending them to the landing page, and only those people, which means over time, the effectiveness of your ad is going to increase and more people are going to purchase your products. Additionally, as you get a few people to convert and Facebook understands what type of people do that conversion, Facebook is able to actually go look at other people and see how other people behave on websites similar to yours and actually use that to optimize the targeting on your behalf. And so this is a very, very powerful conversion optimization is an incredibly powerful concept, and it's the reason that Facebook ads are so profitable for businesses. And so Facebook uses machine learning and the Facebook pixel to actively watch how people are interacting with your ad and website. And then it proactively optimizes your targeting and ad placement on your behalf to find as many people as possible to perform the conversion that you're optimizing for as cheaply as possible. Why does Facebook optimize on your behalf? Why would Facebook want to optimize your ads on your behalf? Well, it's simple. The more successful your campaigns are, the more money you make with Facebook ads, the more ad budget you're going to spend on their platform. And additionally, if people are actively converting on your ad, it means that they're engaging with your ad and getting value from it, right? If people are buying your stuff, it means they're getting value from it. If people found no value from your products, they wouldn't be giving you money. And that also fulfills Facebook's number one priority of creating a great user experience. If people are clicking on your ads and buying your stuff, you're obviously adding value to them, which means that Facebook is adding value to them. And so how does Facebook see and understand what your prospects are doing and what you want them to be doing? It does this with the Facebook pixel. And as I mentioned, we're going to be covering installing the pixel in greater detail in an upcoming video. But put simply, the pixel is a block of code that you paste on each page of your website that allows Facebook to attribute website behavior to that person's Facebook account. And so the reason that Facebook needs the pixel on your website is because Facebook can see everything that someone does on the Facebook platform, right? But when someone leaves Facebook's website and goes to your website, all of a sudden Facebook can't see what they're doing unless you have a pixel there. If you have the pixel installed on your website, Facebook can then attribute that user back to their Facebook username and use the information, the activities that they do on your website to further optimize your ads and further collect data on that customer, which is really the reason that Facebook ads are so profitable and can be targeted so precisely. And yeah, like I mentioned, the pixel allows Facebook to see your site and ultimately see who interacts with it. We're going to be going into much greater detail on how to install the pixel and how to set up these custom conversions in a later video. But at a high level, this is how Facebook conversion optimization and targeting works on your behalf. And this is how Facebook continuously optimizes your ads on your behalf in real time. And so the more data Facebook is able to collect, the better that your ads are going to perform as time goes on.